In this question, we are given that x is a positive integer which is greater than 1. So, we have that x is greater than 1. We have to find the value of x. Now, since no other information is given, we move on to step 2, where we first analyze the statement 1. The statement 1 tells us that 2x, it is a common factor of 18 and 24. Now, since x is a positive integer, 2x will also be positive. So, the positive factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Similarly, the positive factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. And the common factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now we are given that it will be of the form 2x. So we can write 2x is equal to 1, 2x is equal to 2, 2x is equal to 3 and 2x is equal to 6. Now on solving the first equation, we have x is equal to 0.5. The second equation gives us the value of x as 1. In the third equation, we get x is equal to 1.5. And the last equation gives us the value of x as 3. So, since x is an integer, the value of x cannot be 0.5 and 1.5. Also, we have that x is greater than 1. So, 2x cannot be equal to 2. Hence, the correct answer is that 2x is equal to 6, that is x is equal to 3. Since we can answer the question with the help of statement 1, we conclude that statement 1 is sufficient. And from the given options, we eliminate options B, C and E. We now check the sufficiency of statement 2. Statement 2 tells us that x is a factor of 6. Now to solve this, we first write the factors of 6, which is 1, 2, 3 and 6. Since x has to be greater than 1, the possible values of x can be 2, 3 and 6. Since there is no other condition given to us, the value of x is not unique. So we can conclude that statement 2 is insufficient. And hence the correct answer is option A.